Look, security is all about trust. And inside an AI factory, trust means different things to different constituents. If you're a model provider who's looking to run your model inside an AI factory, you want to be able to trust the infrastructure. You want to be able to trust the operators, the administrators inside the AI factory, and make sure that your model doesn't get stolen. If you are a user in the AI factory who is looking to host agents, bring your own context or data inside the AI factory, you want to be able to establish trust on the service provider who's running the AI factory. You want to trust the infrastructure as well to make sure that you're protected against insider attacks. If you are a service provider, you want to be able to show or demonstrate that you are trustworthy. So trust has to be established between multiple players, whether you're the model provider, the end user, the service provider, all of them, or the infrastructure provider. And confidential computing is a technology that brings everything together. It establishes trust in the infrastructure, it establishes trust in code, it establishes trust in the model, and it makes sure that the data is protected end to end.